Hello guys, today I am going to unbox the Beast OnePlus 3T. This I have bought it from Amazon as it's an Amazon exclusive. The seller was also good. He delivered it very fast. So let's unbox it. By the way, I like the OnePlus theme, which is red and white. It looks very premium. So let's tear this up. So let's open it. And here is our phone, the OnePlus 3T. We can say that it's very lightweight as it has very powerful hardware. Still it's very lightweight. So let's check it out later. First check it out what we have in our box. And it's nice packing. Here it's written OnePlus 3T. Here is an thanking letter from the co-founder of OnePlus with his or her signature. And nothing much in the box. This is the great dash charger. It says that it could charge the battery in roughly half an hour. So we will test it and let you know. And this is an type C cable. You can see that this is an type C cable. So I have an MI5 too. I will test this charger on it and let you know that it's a specialized charger for OnePlus, or we can use it on any other phone too. Now let's turn on the phone. So let first boot be done. Till that you can check about the specification on your screen now. And let's do the setup. So now let's set up fingerprint. So let's proceed. Continue. We will choose pattern. Require pattern to start device. Continue. We will choose anything like this. Yes. Then show and all notifications and unlock the fingerprint next. And let's check out the fingerprint. Scan. By the way, the scanner is on the home button, and home button is not pressable, like it's not a physical button. We can just touch it. So you can see I have added my fingerprint. Let's do next, and the setup is done. Thank you. Navigation bar, we will check it out later, not now. Double tap to wake, open camera. We will select all the gestures. Next, and setup completed. So now we are in the actual phone. We have got a OnePlus 3T. Never settle wallpaper, which is very much nice. So you can see that it's already got an update, because out of the box it's an marshmallow. Let's check it out. We go to settings, about phone, and phone name OnePlus 3T. You can see many other specifications like RAM 6 GB RAM, internal storage is 64 GB. You can see Android version is 6.1.0, which is marshmallow. We have got an update. After that it will become Nougat. We will check it out later, and nothing much to see here. And let's check out the storage. See, you have OTG option here available. Let's check out storage, how much we get from 64. We get 53 almost 53.5 GB for our use. And now check out some more details. By the way, we have got alert slider here, which is for silencing the phone or making it on do not disturb mode. The design is too good. It's gunmetal color, you can see it, and it has got an NFC behind the camera. So that's great feature that we have got an NFC. I think so most of the features are covered in this phone. We have 16 megapixel back rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, and let's check out fingerprint scanner. Oh, it's first time, then we have to choose pattern. Let's unlock it now. You can see it's very fast, and OnePlus says that it smartly recognize your finger by the time it uses and when you use your this fingerprint scanner. So it's what the OnePlus 3T looks like, and this was the unboxing video. We will give an review video later on. So that's it for this video, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel. The links will be down to the video for other unboxings too. Thank you, guys.